Hello everyone, today we're at Rod's Muffler Shop. I'm going to have him finish lining up my exhaust and welding it all together, and I'm still having a problem with one of my donuts leaking. I think part of the problem is the flange on the pipe itself is too small, so I'm going to have him either try to re-flange those pipes or make me new front pipes for the exhaust while he's working on it. So we'll get it on the rack here, and I'll try to shoot some video while he's working on it. And on this side, in the front here, you put your hand down from above, you feel the air coming out. You can hear it popping now. That stupid thing. I think it's because the flange isn't big enough on the pipe itself. So.
No, I think that those Corvette manifolds, I think they take a 2 1/4 gasket, not a 2-inch gasket. I don't know though. Let me pull it down and see.
what I'll do is, I'll come up, when I get home, I'll take my parting wheel and I just cut up around here and I'll just bend that up a little bit and just weld it back. I think that'd be about the easiest on you.
It's weird because they're the same. When I go fire it up and I'll take it up running and we'll check and make sure donut from me.
Okay.
The one thing I never really cared for is the Corvette, you see too much of the mufflers, I think.
Yeah.
But the way the spare tire is in there, there's not really much you can.
Yeah, they make a smaller diameter pipe that goes in. You can kind of tuck it up there a little more, but
When they do a factory, they over-exaggerate it. They make it really.
yeah. Yeah, there's just not a whole lot of room under them to run.
Usually when I do them, I make them go the angle of the car. So it's the same as the car. So it does, you see it, but it's not standing out at you.
Yeah, that's a world of difference. That's amazing.
Well, technically there was no gaskets in there.
I know, that just blows my mind. I can't believe they burn out like that, but I've never had them smoke and stink like that either. Those are my brand new donuts I put in there, and they're burnt out already. I've never seen anything like that. Wow, it sounds so much quieter now. I can't get over it. You probably can't hear it on this camera, but you would not believe how much better this car sounds getting that exhaust fixed. I just put brand new donuts in it. When he pulled them out, there was nothing left of them. They were just completely burnt to nothing. I got them from the Corvette supply place, Zip Corvette, and I don't know why they burn out so quick. I did notice when I put them in that when I first fired it up, they smoked really bad and smelled really bad, like burning gasket. And I've never had donuts do that before. Usually put them in and that's it. So I don't know if there was something faulty about the material they're made out of or what the deal was, but it definitely made a difference. So hopefully we won't have any more issues with the exhaust now. We can start driving the car and enjoying it. I'm tired of working on it.